Creating an eco-friendly kitchen. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, many people are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint and live a more sustainable lifestyle. One area that is often overlooked when it comes to eco-friendliness is the kitchen. However, with a few simple changes, it is easy to create an eco-friendly kitchen that is both functional and stylish. Reduce waste with reusable products. One of the easiest ways to create an eco-friendly kitchen is to reduce waste. This can be achieved by using reusable products instead of disposable ones. For example, instead of using paper towels, opt for reusable dishcloths or towels that can be washed and reused. Similarly, instead of using plastic wrap or aluminum foil, invest in reusable containers or beeswax wraps that can be used over and over again. Another way to reduce waste is to avoid single-use items such as disposable cutlery, plates, and cups. Instead, invest in reusable options made from sustainable materials like bamboo, stainless steel, or glass. These options not only reduce waste but can also add a touch of style to your kitchen. Choose sustainable materials. When designing an eco-friendly kitchen, it is important to consider the materials used in the construction and decoration of the space. Opt for materials that are sustainable and have a low impact on the environment. For example, consider using bamboo or cork flooring, which are both renewable resources. Similarly, choose countertops made from materials like recycled glass or concrete, which are both durable and environmentally friendly. In addition to flooring and countertops, consider the materials used in cabinetry and furniture. Look for options made from sustainable materials such as reclaimed wood or recycled plastic. These materials not only have a lower impact on the environment but also add character and unique style to your kitchen. Save energy with energy-efficient appliances. Another way to create an eco-friendly kitchen is to invest in energy-efficient appliances. Look for appliances that have an Energy Star rating, which means they meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency. Energy-efficient appliances use less energy, which not only reduces your carbon footprint but also saves you money on your energy bills. In addition to appliances, consider the lighting in your kitchen. Choose LED light bulbs, which are more energy efficient and last longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. Additionally, consider adding natural light sources like skylights or windows to reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Reduce water usage. Water is a precious resource, and reducing water usage in the kitchen is an important step in creating an eco-friendly space. There are several ways to reduce water usage in the kitchen, including installing a low-flow faucet, choosing a dishwasher with an Energy Star rating, only running the dishwasher when it is full, using a compost bin instead of a garbage disposal, which requires water to function, fixing any leaks in the kitchen as soon as they are detected. By reducing water usage in the kitchen, you not only conserve water but also save money on your water bill. Conclusion: creating an eco-friendly kitchen is not only good for the environment but also good for your wallet. By reducing waste, choosing sustainable materials, investing in energy-efficient appliances, and reducing water usage, you can create a space that is both functional and stylish. Making these changes may seem daunting at first, but with a little effort, you can create an eco-friendly kitchen that you can be proud of.